Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to voice chat on ChatGPT. First of all, launch open ChatGPT application on your device and make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once logged in, go ahead and get to the little search bar at the bottom of the screen and tap on the microphone icon. Now, click on while using the app or only this time, these two options over here, and then you can click on the microphone icon once again and start speaking. Hi, what's up? Now once done, you can tap on the little arrow button to send your voice chat to ChatGPT. You can also select multiple voice. Now, if you want to speak with the ChatGPT, you can click on the little voice icon at the bottom right over here, and then you can speak your query to the AI.
Absolutely. That's one of the cool things about voice chat.
ChatGPT offers voice options, multiple voice options, each with distinct personality traits and speech patterns. And there you have it. That's how you can easily voice chat on ChatGPT. OpenAI is continuously enhancing voice interactions. Make sure to keep an eye on OpenAI's release notes for the latest features and updates. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.